Sizzling spaces, the perfect chicken fajita recipe, and the kitchen to cook it in. Chicken fajitas, the one-pan wonder that brings bold flavors, vibrant colors, and a little sizzle to your dinner table. But let's face it, cooking fajitas in a cramped kitchen can feel less like a fiesta and more like a fire drill. If your current setup leaves you juggling peppers and dodging sizzling pans, don't worry, your favorite Space Ghost Realtor is here to turn up the heat on your kitchen dreams. But first, let's get cooking! The best chicken fajita recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into thin strips, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 green bell pepper sliced, 1 yellow onion sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 packet fajita seasoning, 1 lime juiced, warm tortillas, and toppings: sour cream, shredded cheddar, salsa, guacamole. Instructions: heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken strips and cook until browned and cooked through. Toss in the bell peppers and onion, cooking until softened. Sprinkle fajita seasoning over the mixture, squeeze in lime juice, and stir well. Serve with warm tortillas and your favorite toppings. Enjoy the sizzle and savor every bite. Pro tip: warm your tortillas in a skillet for extra flavor and flexibility. Now, about that kitchen. If your current cooking space feels like you're performing a high-stakes juggling act every time you slice an onion, it might be time for an upgrade. Picture yourself in a kitchen with ample counter space, a gas stove perfect for sizzling fajitas, and maybe even an island for your topping bar. As your trusted Space Coast Realtor, I know just the homes with dream kitchens designed for culinary creativity. Whether you're searing chicken, chopping vegetables, or just sipping a margarita while somebody else cooks, let's find you the perfect space to make every meal a celebration. Call, text, or send me a smoke signal. Let's turn your kitchen dreams into reality. Now pass the guac. P.S. If you'd like to take a look at what homes are on the market right now, just take a look at the link below. Click, and the homes will be right there for you. Thanks, and you have an amazing day.